What is it? It's FPV Friday.
So I just want to thank Martin for putting up the intro clip. Top man Martin. Unfortunately, you didn't tell me where you come from, or even if you got a YouTube channel, because of that way I can get some people to look at your channel. But anyway, thank you much, Martin. That's the main thing. Guys, if you want to do an intro for FPV Friday, please send it to me. My email address is under Shaun the Drone. Just underneath it, you see where it says more. You click on that, my email address will come up. And yeah, just send me a short clip. Anyway, it's a good one this week. I think you're going to enjoy it. So, something a little bit different. Well, not really different. We got no power, but the battery, but the drone is the battery. This drone is still going on zero. Okay, interestingly. And I'm still going, battery too low, and it's on zero, and it's still going. How does that work? Okay, it'd be interesting to see this when I put this in there, how long I'm flying for on zero battery. Hey, good test this. Hey, I'm catching on with you, Kev. Getting all this wearing the hat backwards. But in today's video, I've got my Neo 2. I've got obviously my FPV goggles, which is the goggles free, motion free controller. Now, I think it's got to be well over a month ago, Kev was saying that he was getting people telling him that his Neo 2 batteries were overheating. And I thought, now this is the place, because I'm in Spain. At the moment, I think it's about 35 now in the heat. We're sort of midday, and I thought what I'll do, I'll put this in sports mode. I've got my 3 batteries, because I think each battery also may be slightly different, and we're going to see, do we get this overheating problem? That's the plan anyway. Now, funny enough, I did come out last week to try this test. And when I got out here, I had this in normal mode. And could I put this into sports mode? No, I couldn't. I even checked online, couldn't find nothing. Anyway, I had to go all the way back home, which I did yesterday, really. I checked online yesterday, and obviously it sent me to YouTube. And funny enough, I did a video on it a couple of years ago on the controller, how to change it from, God, it's so easy. You just get those times when you just blank yourself. Anyway, so now I know how to do it. It's already in sports mode. I'm going to get the drone up. What I will do, obviously, you're not going to sit through whole 3 batteries, but it'd be interesting to see if we get this overheat problem. So here we go. Here we go. So we just turn on the, see? And this is good old Marcus Crawford, Idaho copter hat. Got all the gear, see? Just got to remember how to do it all, that's the problem I got. Right, put on the motion free controller. Not forgetting, as I always recommend, put the strap on. Hello, all right, yes, I know, we haven't stick this one on yet. It's always lets you know. It doesn't take long. I have set it up previously before I went out. Supposedly, it looks like it's yes, we're in. Okay, that's all right. Right, the other thing I found with the when you're changing the modes is the drone's got to be in the air anyway, guys. So if you notice, we will notice in a minute, which you will notice now. And I pressed the wrong button. See, I'm rushing things. There we go. Right, come on, if you notice at the bottom left there, I've got it in normal mode. Okay. Right. Right, if I press this back button here, there it is. It's that easy, look. Press it again, normal. Anyway, we're into sports. Just get going. Obviously, when you got it in sports, it knocks off the avoidance anyway. unplug that. Right, if you notice, that's got number 2 battery, so I should be going into 3 battery now. I like to keep the batteries in sequence as well. What's interesting, it does seem that when you land a drone, I didn't know that. See, something else? It puts it back into neutral, well, normal. Oh, okay. Impact detected. That was amazing. I like that test, but I've got to go and retrieve it. Thankfully, it's just over there. Was it interesting flying on zero? I wouldn't, guys. I would not advise this. That's definite. I would not advise this. So this time, go look out for if it knocks it back into normal mode. I wasn't really paying attention to that. Okay, so we're in. So obviously the drone's been flying around like a lunatic anyway. Okay, so I got normal. Yeah. 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 It said, that's it. I'm landing. Right. So I'm gonna get my drone back. I'm blinded by the light, and we'll have a quick discussion. So I enjoyed that test. Another test, which I think was successful, because one, obviously had the overheated battery, but I think that's mainly to do because I was pushing it to the limits. The other thing is that really surprised me, which I didn't even know about, that you can still fly the drone on 0. Now I might, when I get some more courage, I might I have to find a nice smooth flat area, because here it's no good. If it crashed out there, I'm going to have a hell of a job finding it. But if I can find a nice long runway or something like that, yeah, we could see how far we could push it on 0. But that, let me know in the comments, would you like me to do a video like that to see how far you can go on 0 or nothing? Because that was just amazing. I didn't realise you could do that. Because we all moan about this drone for its battery power, but hey, maybe that's something different we didn't know about from DJI. Anyway, as always guys, hope you enjoyed that, but I'm not going to finish it here because it's over to this guy. See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone, see you sooner.
Sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner. Just like your life ended, see you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts, see you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Pictures of Suffolk, see you sooner.
Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. Sooner.